I had no thought of MBA. I went to my father. I said that I want to do an MBA. He's like, we don't have that money. I was thinking like Shah Rukh Khan. I used to think I've made it to SRCC. This is my Mumbai. Now I'm gonna go out a star. I just still feel so happy because I know I've raised the standard of living of my family. I told you I'm a content creator. I usually make content about MBA, corporate education, stuff like that. So even though I converted IIM Indore, I wanted to go to K because it is further away and it's so different. It's not in North India. Honestly, I am a very smart person, but I am also a very person who runs on probabilities. Even though I am a person who hustles, who's very driven.
So you got into Accenture. What was your summer internship package?
24,000 लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, इतना आजकल ना अच्छे वाले ड्राइवर कमा लेते हैं।
IIM के बाद असली लाइफ हिट करेगी और वो बहुत डिफरेंट होगी आपने जो शायद सोचा है उससे। Interesting interview that I had was IMK. We don't have money, might not have a very conventional beautiful face that we can go and end up in a modeling or heroine sort of thing. The only thing that is working in our favor is our brain. 9th standard, then I had just started getting serious about my studies because all my life I was just like an average kid who would just like get 80% of marks and she would be like happy with it.
You got your placements in the right place. उसके बाद second year में सिर्फ party करी?
I've always been an extrovert. I've been always somebody easy to talk to. And I strongly believe in your vibe attracts your tribe. There were a lot of financial crises while growing up because 2 of my father's businesses failed. मस्ती वस्ती होती रही. अब आते हैं, बहुत पैसा ले लिया है बैंक से. ठीक है, 40 लाख का लोन सैंक्शन करा लिया, 22 लाख फीस में चले गए हैं. Outside SRCC, sure you are a topper, but inside SRCC, everybody is a topper.
It's not just a degree, in my view. It is 2 years of your life that you're giving it.
I got an internship at EY, but that was in tax. They offered me a pre-placement offer, but I didn't want to go in tax. I fell on the floor and I started crying. Oh my God, what has happened? I've lost all my chance in life. I called my father and I started like I was going ballistic and my father is laughing. Accenture was also one of the highest paying jobs on campus. It was offering a 40-41 CTC on campus. The reason I decided to do an IIM thing was because I was a day scholar at SRCC. I don't know what hostel life is. So the bus left us there and I checked the register. They said you have C hostel. I said, where is C hostel? It's at the top of the hill. It's like the food is also amazing. Everything is amazing. Then it started raining. I love rains. Then I'm like, the rain is amazing. This campus is beautiful. This is what my dreams are. I always wanted to go into marketing. Okay. Because I thought I am a marketing person. I am creative. I speak a lot. That is what you need in sales. My friend, poor guy, he was like giving an interview. Coming out of it, he didn't have the time to change his shirt. He was called and told, go for the next interview. This guy is barely over his last rejection. He's almost crying and now they are telling him go for your next interview. बचपन में मम्मी पापा कहते हैं ना रोज 1 घंटा पढ़ लो तो फिर पेपर से पहले इतना पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. It's about that. If you are like putting that effort every day, it won't matter if you don't study like on the day of the interview. I am a nerd, so I made all these notes and I am answering and this guy is like, she's answering everything. I'm going to ask her a question she cannot answer. And he's like, when did the first Rajya Sabha retire? No idea. And then I started smiling. And you know my smile. I started smiling like this. And he started smiling. And he's like, it's okay. If you ask for time, it's your loss. Because you can't give that chance to some other candidate. What if he gets selected, they close off the process and you're then again, you end up with nothing, right?
कार और फ्लैट से ज़्यादा बच्चे चाहिए हैं, ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं शादी कर लो, ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं
कि अब शादी करने का टाइम हो गया. अच्छा अब शादी कर लो. But I never understood कि logic क्या है पापा इसके पीछे.
So suddenly everybody was given a hard time to my parents in any lifetime. They are now my parents' best friends. They are like, oh my God, your daughter needs to talk to my kid. Tell her, tell him. First salary credit हुई थी with your salary amount and that joining bonus. So they give you like 10 lakhs for joining bonus. This is beyond my dreams what I have right now, touch wood. I am making loads of money compared to an average Indian.
We never know when to stop. Like that hunger is so deeply ingrained in us. I'm gonna propose to Meglani, though he's the boss, that we title
प्रपोज
this.
कर रहा है तू, मेरे को प्रपोज कर रहा है कि इंडिया, मतलब देख